lips. Taco lips.
Okay.
I'm saying apocalypse. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Taco lips. Taco lips.
This is so racist.
Taco lips.
The last one.
So.
The last one, you made it sound like a
You
bunch of
know what?
pedophiles were in the house.
You know what?
What?
They would love a taco lips.
Oh, shut up, you racist. Mom, you're
I thought
racist.
that'd be a specialty.
You know what that'd be? Tacos with legs. They're like, oh, let's eat them. Who's got the hot sauce?
Mom, you have a weird fantasy. You have a weird fantasy. Hey, anyway, you know, Harley, you were there at the school when that happened.
What?
Remember,
When it happened.
when what happened? What's so funny?
That's what I'm wondering.
Anyway, how that bus got whatever. It got in trouble, like